Are you the hedgehog or are you the fox? That get you? You paying attention now? Get out your paper and your pen. Let's go. Let's get into it. What is the hedgehog concept? What does it mean? And how can it help you if you're starting your own adult day center? But first, you gotta like, comment, subscribe. Show a little love to the hedgehog. Did you do it? All right, perfect. All right, we'll get right into it. My name is Kris, the founder and CEO of ActivAge Daytime Senior Care. And the hedgehog concept is made up of 3 things. And the whole idea behind it is, look, the fox, he's scatterbrained, he's paying attention to the details, he's all over the place, like he doesn't know what he wants, okay? He's like a drifter from day to day, you know, one day I want this, one day I want that. One day I like this idea, one day I like that idea. The hedgehog, he knows exactly what he wants and he's going after it, he sees the big picture and he's focused on one thing. So you gotta ask yourself these 3 questions and get clear about this. When you think about your adult day center, when you think about the thing that you are most passionate about, what is it? Is it the activities? Is it the impact that you're making on the members' lives? Is it like taking care of people that have dementia and helping to overcome, you know, some of the things that they're having difficulties with? Like how, you know, what are the things that excite you, that, you know, that you're passionate about, that you want to work on every single day? And if you could do this every single day for free, you would. What are the things that you're passionate about? Is it maybe the family caregivers and giving them the relief that they need? But you got to define that. Only you can answer that question. But you got to figure out, what am I most passionate about? Or if you're with an organization and you're doing this with a group of people and you're doing it on behalf of a company and trying to figure this out, what are you, as the leadership or the executive team, what are you most passionate about? Interested in owning your very own ActivAge? Join the fastest growing franchise concept in senior care. As an ActivAge franchise partner, you can be in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Have access to a world-class Margaritaville-style environment, and together we can change the world for seniors and their family caregivers. Own an ActivAge today. Shh, it's a movement. Number 2, what is your economic engine? What is gonna drive the profit in the business, okay? Is it the average number of people per day? Is it the average, you know, profit per member? You know, is it the number of visits per week? Is it the length of time they stay per day? Like, what is the thing that is gonna drive your profit? And so you need to define that. So this way you're always focused on making that thing better and increasing and improving and, you know, making decisions that are going to affect whatever your economic engine is, whatever the most important financial KPI is, that is going to make that thing better. And then number 3, last but not least, but probably one of the most important things, because it's the thing that you're always going to be improving. And what is the thing that you want to be the best in the world at? Now keep in mind, you may not be the best in the world at that today, but you want to be the best in the world at that sometime in the future. And so what do you want to be the best in the world at? What problem are you solving? What solution are you going to be bringing to the table that you're like, you know what, we are the best at this and our target demographic is this. So what is that? Is your activity program better than any other activity program out there? Are you just more cost effective? And so you're the most cost effective solution for care. You're like the best at giving families the break that they need and making, you know, like care convenient for them. Is that what you're best at? What are you best in the world at? You got to figure out what, you know, like it just ignites you inside. What ignites you? What ignites your team? So what are you passionate about? What drives your economic engine? And what do you want to become the best in the world at? Once you know those 3 things, you got the formula, baby. Now you don't divert. You don't act like a little squirrel. You know, you don't act like a fox. You're like, you know, like the whole idea of a squirrel. No, you don't do that. You stay focused because you're a hedgehog and you got vision and you got clarity and you got focus and you got a singularity of clear, concise, predictable, clear. I don't even know, I'm running out of words. I'm trying to think of more adjectives. You got any for me? Just that, whatever is clear and it's like narrow and focused, You got it. Like I'm staring at you right now, okay? I'm focusing on you. I'm hedgehogging you. I don't know what that means. So if you want to open up your own adult daycare, go to adcpro.com. Join us for our monthly webinars, completely free, live Q&A. We can talk everything about your adult day and answer all your questions. And join our private Facebook group. Just go on Facebook. I don't know, there's a little link that'll pop up somewhere, or it's in the description. Go there, find us on Facebook, join the group, chat, comment, say hi. I don't know, ask questions, do something, participate. And if you want to own your very own ActivAge, go to activagecare.com/franchise. We'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here. And make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.